Himalayan region is still a popular place for explorers. As skateboarders with that endless urge for new skate spots, we built a tight crew in order to visit Tibet. After getting our permits authorized in the Chinese city Chengdu, we flew to the Tibetan capital Lhasa, deep in the Himalaya. Lhasa was a perfect start to acclimatize to the altitudes and experience the warmth of Buddhist culture. Our skate mission into the unknown is slowly heading towards the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest.
My name is Chris Haslam and I am from Canada. The skating in the high altitude kind of zones makes it hard to breathe, so that was kind of difficult to get used to as well, but other than that it's been pretty awesome. The scenery, like the landscape, has probably been the most impressive. So we've seen tons of monasteries that have all blended into one for me. I wasn't too versed on Tibetan history before I came here, so when our guide Tenzin has been talking about these monasteries and everything, it was just overwhelmingly a ton of information.
My name is Malik and I come from Slovakia. Shigatse is the second biggest city in Tibet, so it was pretty big and we found good spots there, so we skated a bunch. We got pretty good shots there. Gyentse we did some as well, and Sakya is just really tiny village, so everywhere we go we just been followed by big group of kids and people, which is kind of, how can I say, weird. We're not used to that. It's not really helping when you try to skate and do something, and there's crossing your way always when you try to do something.
Right now we are in Sakya. It's an original ancient town and it's the last stop before we go to the Mount Everest base camp.
while everybody else is outside skateboarding. I'm just chilling here, yeah, in my bed, not having fun. No.
We were drastically underdressed for how cold it was up there at the base camp. The toilets were just horse trough stalls that every time you walk by you see our driver taking a savage beast of a dump.
That's it.
Right now I am here on the base camp of the Mount Everest. It's the biggest mountain in the world and I'm really impressed. It is a bit cloudy, so we cannot see the whole mountain, but we saw something of him and it's really, really amazing.
Our final destination was reached. Overwhelmed by the impressions of the Tibetan highlands, we're heading back to Lhasa. Recalling all these fun and beautiful moments, we feel really blessed to have had this experience of Tibet's rich culture.
Do you feel blessed?
I do, I feel lighter.
He said, "Is you are home?"
I'm home, yeah.
And yeah, all this through a simple wooden toy. Skateboarding, thank you so much.